Welcome to Exam Sale. This script outlines the VMware Certified Associate Digital Business Transformation exam syllabus so you can focus your study time. Listen for the exam domains, their weight, and what you need to learn for each one. Overview of the VCP-DAV exam shows 6 domains with exact weightings. Define and describe the vSphere solution at 25%, vRealize suite at 20%, VMware cross-cloud architecture at 15%, NSX at 15%, Horizon Suite at 15%, and SAN at 10%. The exam emphasizes conceptual understanding and scenario-based questions and expects practical awareness of architecture, management, and cloud strategies. Plan study hours based on the domain weights and focus areas to match the assessment difficulty. Define and describe the vSphere solution as 25% of the exam and focuses on core virtualization infrastructure, compute management, and workload mobility. You will learn vSphere architecture including XC and vCenter server, how virtual machine hardware and configuration files work, and the types of virtual switches and data stores used in vSphere. The domain covers availability and resource management topics such as HA, DRS, vMotion, fault tolerance, resource pools, cluster management, and vSphere Lifecycle Manager, and it is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions over about 12 hours of study. Define and describe the vRealize suite solution as 20% and centers on cloud management, automation, and operational insights. Study the business value of vRealize suite, how vRealize automation delivers self-service provisioning, and how vRealize operations provides monitoring and performance analytics. You will also learn about vRealize Log Insight for troubleshooting and vRealize Business for cloud costing, plus how the suite integrates with vSphere, with medium difficulty and roughly 10 hours of focused study. Define and describe the VMware cross-cloud architecture as 15% and helps you standardize cloud strategy across private, public, and hybrid environments. Expect to learn the VMware software-defined data center vision, the challenges of multi-cloud operations, and the pillars of the cross-cloud architecture including consistent infrastructure and consistent operations. This domain covers VMware Cloud on AWS benefits, hybrid cloud concepts, and workload portability, and it is relatively easy with about 6 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. Define and describe the NSX solution as 15% and focuses on software-defined networking, security, and micro-segmentation. You will learn network virtualization fundamentals, logical switching and routing, and how the NSX distributed firewall provides granular security with micro-segmentation. The domain also covers NSX edge services such as load balancing and VPN, integration with vSphere, and it is considered harder, requiring around 10 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based questions. Define and describe the Horizon Suite solution as 15% and covers desktop and application virtualization and the digital workspace. Learn how VMware Horizon supports digital transformation through virtual desktop infrastructure concepts, remote desktop session host published applications, and key components like connection server and unified access gateway. The domain also explains display protocols such as Blast Extreme and PCOIP, and Workspace ONE integration, with medium difficulty and about 8 hours of study time. Define and describe the SAN solution as 10% and focuses on software-defined storage and hyper-converged infrastructure. Study software-defined storage principles, SAN cluster requirements, hybrid versus all-flash architectures, and storage policy-based management for availability and performance. You will also learn about fault domains, deduplication, compression, and erasure coding in SAN, with medium difficulty, roughly 5 hours of study, and conceptual scenario-based assessment. That concludes the syllabus overview for the VCP-DAV exam. Use the domain weights and study times to prioritize your preparation. Focus on architecture and integration topics, and practice scenario-based thinking. Good luck with your study plan and the exam.